Hey everyone, it's David. Welcome back. I'm often asked how I stay healthy without giving up the foods I love. The secret? Smart, delicious swaps. Vibrant food that's good for you. Today, we're diving into Asian cuisine with a light, quick twist. 10 recipes, each ready in about 10 minutes, packed with nutrients and flavor. Craving Asian flavors but watching your calories? These dishes prove eating light doesn't mean giving up taste. Let's get cooking. First up, let's dive into my absolute go-to lunch when I want something healthy, flavorful, and satisfying. Japanese ginger chicken bento bowl. This dish is inspired by the classic Japanese bento, but with a lighter, modern twist that makes it perfect for a quick weekday meal or a meal prep favorite. Imagine lean, juicy chicken breast, packed with umami and a subtle hint of sweetness, paired with crisp, vibrant veggies. The real star here is the punchy ginger sauce. It's zesty, aromatic, and brings everything together. And the best part? This entire bowl clocks in at under 400 calories, so you can enjoy a hearty lunch without any guilt. To start, we pan-sear thinly sliced chicken breast until it's golden and tender. Then, we toss it in a quick homemade sauce made from freshly grated ginger, low-sodium soy sauce, a splash of mirin for sweetness, and a touch of rice vinegar for tang. The aroma as the sauce hits the pan is absolutely mouth-watering. Instead of the usual white rice, we're swapping in a bed of shredded cabbage and carrots. This not only adds a satisfying crunch, but also boosts the fiber and keeps things light. For extra protein and color, we add blanched edamame, and for a tangy, refreshing bite, some quick pickled cucumber slices. It's a rainbow of flavors and textures in every bite. To assemble, simply layer the veggies, top with the savory ginger chicken, and finish with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. The sesame adds a nutty aroma and a little crunch, making every mouthful even more delicious. You can even add a drizzle of extra sauce if you like it saucy. This bento bowl is not just quick to make, it's incredibly satisfying and feels like a special treat, even on the busiest days. It's perfect for lunch at home, at work, or even on the go. You won't miss the rice or heavy sauces. Every bite is bursting with fresh, energizing flavors. It's a meal that leaves you feeling full, focused, and ready to take on the rest of your day. Lean, savory, and full of umami. A protein-packed lunch under 400 calories that proves healthy eating can be absolutely delicious. Next up, we're diving into pure comfort, Vietnamese pho, but with a slim sink twist that makes it lighter, fresher, and just as soul-warming as the original. Imagine all the flavors you love, but with a healthy modern update that fits right into your wellness goals. Instead of traditional rice noodles, we're using spiralized zucchini noodles. These zoodles are not only fun to make, but they create a slurpable veggie-packed base that's low in carbs and high in nutrients. It's a simple swap that makes a big difference, letting you enjoy a big bowl without any heaviness. To build that classic pho flavor, we fast-track the broth by toasting whole spices, star anise, cloves, and cinnamon. Toasting them releases their essential oils, filling your kitchen with an incredible aroma and giving the broth a deep, authentic taste in a fraction of the time. Next, we add charred ginger and onion to the pot, simmering everything together with a rich, clear broth. Charring the aromatics brings out their sweetness and adds a subtle smokiness, infusing the soup with layers of flavor in just minutes. For protein, thinly sliced sirloin steak goes straight into your serving bowl, raw and ready. The slices are so thin, they'll cook instantly when the hot broth is poured over, staying tender and juicy. Ladle the steaming, fragrant broth over the beef and zoodles. The heat from the broth gently cooks the steak and softens the zucchini noodles, creating a perfect harmony of textures and flavors in every spoonful. Now, it's time for toppings. Add a generous handful of crisp bean sprouts for crunch and freshness. Sprinkle on plenty of Thai basil and fresh cilantro. These herbs add a burst of color and a fragrant peppery lift that makes every bite pop. Finish with a squeeze of lime for brightness, and a few slices of jalapeno for a gentle kick of heat. Customize the toppings to your taste. Make it as zesty or as mild as you like. The result? A bowl that's aromatic, vibrant, and light, with all the classic pho flavors you crave, without the carb overload. You get all the comfort and satisfaction of traditional pho, but in a way that leaves you feeling energized, not weighed down. This zucchini noodle pho is a true game changer, perfect for cozy nights in or impressing friends with a healthy, beautiful meal. light, aromatic, and so satisfying, you'll want to make this again and again. Time for a flavor explosion. Thai green papaya salad with grilled shrimp. Shred green papaya for a crisp base, then pound garlic, chilies, lime, fish sauce, and a touch of sweetener for a bold dressing. Toss in cherry tomatoes, green beans, and roasted peanuts. Grill shrimp quickly for smoky contrast. Pile salad on a plate, top with shrimp, and enjoy the crunchy, tangy, spicy magic. It's light, metabolism boosting, and wakes up every taste bud. A fat-burning flavor bomb. Crunchy, tangy, spicy. This salad is a flavor party. Craving Chinese takeout but want something lighter and healthier? You're not alone. Those bold flavors and comforting textures are hard to resist. But what if you could enjoy all that deliciousness without the extra calories or heaviness that often comes with takeout? Try this homemade cauliflower rice stir-fry instead. It's a clever, low-carb twist on a classic favorite. Start by pulsing fresh cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble fluffy grains of rice. This simple swap instantly cuts down on carbs and adds a boost of nutrients. Next, heat a wok or large skillet and add a splash of oil. Toss in fragrant garlic and ginger, letting their aroma fill your kitchen. Then, add a rainbow of your favorite chopped vegetables. Think bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, or broccoli. Stir-fry everything until crisp tender, keeping the veggies vibrant and full of flavor. For the sauce, whisk together low-sodium soy sauce, a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, and a splash of rice vinegar. This combination brings that signature umami and tang you love from takeout, but with less sodium and no added sugar. Add a touch of Shaoxing wine for authentic depth, if you have it. Push the veggies to the side of the pan and crack in an egg, scrambling it gently until just set. This adds protein and a silky texture to your stir-fry. Now add the cauliflower rice to the pan. Stir-fry everything together, letting the cauliflower soak up all those savory flavors. Pour in your sauce, toss to coat, and finish with a sprinkle of fresh scallions for a burst of color and freshness. The whole dish comes together in under 10 minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll have a guilt-free, satisfying bowl that's bursting with flavor and texture. It's everything you crave from Chinese takeout, but lighter, fresher, and packed with nutrients. Perfect for busy weeknights or whenever you want a quick, wholesome meal. Enjoy your favorite takeout flavors at home, without the calories, heaviness, or guilt. Give this cauliflower rice stir-fry a try, and discover just how delicious healthy eating can be. Let's make Korean cucumber kimchi wraps, a fun, probiotic-packed snack. Use a peeler to make cucumber ribbons for zero-carb wraps. Mix chopped kimchi with lean protein, tuna, chicken, or tofu, and a touch of Greek yogurt or Kewpie mayo. Add a drizzle of sesame oil, roll up in cucumber, and enjoy. These wraps are crunchy, spicy, and support gut health. Perfect for lunch, snacks, or parties. Light, refreshing, and metabolism boosting. A probiotic powerhouse that boosts metabolism and gut health. Plant-based perfection. Malaysian tofu satay skewers with a light peanut dip. Press extra firm tofu, marinate in soy, turmeric, coriander, cumin, garlic, and a touch of sweetener. Thread onto skewers, grill until golden and charred. For the dip, use powdered peanut butter, lime, soy, and sriracha for a creamy low-calorie sauce. Serve hot with fresh cilantro. Smoky, savory, and protein-rich. All the satay flavor, none of the heaviness. Plant-based, satisfying, and totally craveable. When you need something healing, try this light Filipino ginger fish soup. Sauté ginger and onion. Add broth or rice water, and simmer. Add bok choy or napa cabbage. Simmer until just tender. Gently poach chunks of white fish until opaque. Finish with a splash of fish sauce. Pure, clean comfort in a bowl. Hydrating, soothing, and light. Warm, healing, and perfect for a reset. Let's reimagine Hainanese chicken rice. Lighter, faster, and bowl style. Gently poach chicken in ginger, garlic, and scallion-infused water. Cook brown rice or quinoa in the poaching liquid for flavor. Make 2 quick sauces, chili garlic and ginger scallion. Slice chicken, serve over rice with cucumber, and drizzle with both sauces. All the iconic flavor, none of the extra fat. Light, aromatic, and satisfying. A weeknight-friendly take on a classic. The iconic dish, reimagined. Light, aromatic, and fat-friendly. Curry night the light way. Indonesian-style vegetable curry. Blend shallots, garlic, ginger, turmeric, lemongrass and chilies for a quick spice paste. Sauté with cinnamon and kaffir lime leaves, then add light coconut milk and broth. Simmer sweet potatoes, green beans, bell peppers, and tofu or chickpeas. Serve hot, maybe with quinoa. Creamy, fragrant, and loaded with veggies. Comfort food, minus the calories. Rich in taste, low in calories, the perfect balance. Dessert time. Asian fruit, chia dessert bowl. Guilt-free and under 200 calories. Make chia pudding with almond or light coconut milk and a touch of sweetener. Chill, then top with diced mango, dragon fruit and lychee. Sprinkle with toasted coconut flakes or nuts. It's sweet, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. Satisfy your sweet tooth, nourish your body. Light, colorful, and delicious. A guilt-free dessert, sweet, refreshing, and under 200 calories. That's 10 fat-melting Asian recipes you can make in minutes. Eating healthy doesn't mean boring food, just smart, flavorful choices. From ginger chicken bento to fruit chia dessert, these meals nourish and delight. Enjoy the process, experiment, and make them your own. Let me know which recipe you'll try first. Eat light, eat smart, and enjoy every bite. Like, share, and subscribe for more Slim Sync Asian weight loss recipes.